Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm doing an Elizabeth Scarlett unboxing. Also, it's crazy dark today, so apologies if this video is a little bit dark or a little bit fuzzy. I can't help it, it's winter. So please bear with me and the weather gods. So let's talk about the order, shall we? So a while ago, Elizabeth Scarlett gave me a 20% discount code to share with you all, which I have done. And I will continue to share it. It is right in the description box and I'll also put it in the pinned comments. That link will get you 20% off everything. And yeah, it's really good. I've shared it a lot. A lot of people have used it. And because so many people have used it, they sent me a little thank you gift. So that's what I'm unboxing today. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to do this in no particular order. So here is the first item. I can tell by the size it's an everyday pouch. And look, it's pink. I was a bit worried they might send me something I already have because I have so many of their pouches. But this is one I don't have. Look at it. It's really beautiful. It's so pretty. I love the corally pink velvet. It's got all the gold hardware. The embroidery is beautiful. And it's also embroidered on the reverse. And it's just so intricately done. It's gorgeous. And as you might know, I have pink bathrooms, so I think I might put that one in the bathroom. Okay, next up, let's have a look. So this one is big. What is this? I don't even know. It's like so big. Oh wow, it's one of their wash bags. I don't have one of these already and I didn't realize they were so big. So this is for when you're traveling, you can put in your shampoo, your conditioner or your skincare. But look, it's big. It's big. It's really big. I'm actually quite surprised by the size. Like you could get a lot in here. And I'm just going to come over to the window so that you can see it in the light. The green is really beautiful. It's quite a vintagey green and it's beautiful plush cotton velvet. The embroidery is beautiful. It's got all the gold hardware and it's just really cool. I love this. I don't have any travel plans at the moment, but as soon as I do, I am going to be using this bad boy. Actually, that is something I need to do. I have no passport at the moment. It expired. And yeah, I have so few travel plans that I haven't even renewed it yet. So I need to do that. And when I do, I'll be taking this bad boy with me. Isn't it cool? I love this. I don't actually have anything with the eyes on. And yeah, I'm really into it. It's much nicer in real life than it is on the website. It's really cool. So this is what I have so far. And there is something else in the box. Let's have a look, shall we? Ooh, it's in the yellow/mustard velvet. This is actually really cool. I've never really looked at this kind of colour on the website because I normally go for the darker shades because I like the high contrast, but this is really cool. It's a little bit more subtle, but it's actually so pretty. Again, it's kind of a vintagey yellowy mustard colour. And again, it's made from cotton velvet, which is really beautiful quality. And it's got the sun goddess motif, little stars and moons, snake for the Swifties out there. And oh yeah, little eye. And yeah, it's really cool. It's really beautiful. And I don't know what I'll use this one for. Maybe as a makeup bag. So that is what they sent me. The toiletries bag, the everyday pouch, and the makeup bag. It's really hard to pick favorites, but I think if I had to, I would go for this one because I just love the color. I love this kind of corally peachy pink. I find these everyday pouches just so useful for like organizing everything. And I just think the details on it and everything are just so beautiful. Anyway, that is my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to buy anything from Elizabeth Scarlett, don't forget to use my link below. It will get you 20% off absolutely everything. And yeah, their pouches and their bags are just so beautiful. They're such lovely quality. I love the fact that they use proper cotton velvet, not polyester velvet. I know it sounds silly, but it makes such a difference. Yeah, their items are just so pretty. They're really well made. They're actually really well priced for what they are. I think they're lovely. And I know I'm biased, but I think 20% off is incredible. So yeah, if you want to use my discount code or my discount link, go to the description box below or look at my pinned comments or whatever you want. But yeah, their stuff is so good. And yeah, what an honor to get a lovely little package from them. Anyway, that's my video. I hope you like it. Let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much. Goodbye.